last time we were discussing about the nomenclature of the compounds containing ester group. Now let us see the nomenclature of the organic compound containing acid chloride, or which is also called as acyl chloride. Acyl chloride. So acyl chloride or acid chloride. Now this acid chloride is obtained from acid group COOH. You know it is called as oic acid. Other day we have discussed. The functional group suffix for the COOH is oic acid. Now the acid chlorides are obtained by replacing the OH by Cl or X. So COX is the acid halide. COX, where X stands for F, Cl, Cl or I. That will be equal to chloride, chloride, bromide or iodide. So here the substitute for this group is oil chloride, because thick acid OH is not there. In place of OH you are putting X. So you can say it is oil halide. OH will be X. OH is not there. OH is ill no. So OH is not there. In that case CX will be. That is called as oil halide. And the general name for this compound is alkanoil halide. Alkanoic acid is the alkanoil halide. Say for example the compound CH3, CH2, COCl. Here the compound contains 1, 2, 3. Therefore propanoil chloride. This is carbon 1, this is 2, this is 3. Not this 1, 2, 3. Functional group is 1. So 1, 2, 3. And the structure can be given in this way: CH3, CH2, COCl. Okay. So that is regarding the acid halide. Next compound, amines. The compounds contain, or the compounds are called as amines. Amines. The functional group of amines is NH2. NH2 is the functional group. So starting from an alkane, you can replace H by amine and you are getting alkane amine. Say here RH. This alkane, H is replaced by NH2. Therefore, the name of this compound is alkane amine. For example, CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. This is the functional group, and the carbon attached to functional group is number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. And therefore, the compound is containing 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, butane. E of the ane is replaced by amine, butane amine. So here the name is obtained from butane. Butane is this. Now this E is replaced by amine. So this is glutenamine. In the glutenamine, the number of the carbon atoms start from this group, because this carbon attached to functional group. Therefore this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Is that clear? Say for example, 1H is replaced here by Cl. What will be the name? Can you tell me? 2 carbon second is containing chloro. Therefore the compound is 2-chloro-butanamine. Okay? This is butanamine. This is carbon 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Suppose on this carbon 1H is replaced by Pr. What will be the name of the compound? 4-bromo-butanamine. So that is how you should go on naming the compound. So this butanamine is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon attached to NH2. So here CH2, 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 NH2. So that is called as amine. Next class of organic compounds is amine. Amines. Amine also is obtained from the acid. Acid group. Acid group is COOH. Now if this OH group is replaced by NH2, you are getting the group CONH2. compounds which contain CONH2. Say for example, an alkane, RH is alkane. Alkane. Replace one H from this, remove H, put there CONH2. What you get now? You are getting R, CO, NH2. The name of this compound is alkane amide. E is replaced by amide. So the name of this compound is alkane amide. So starting from this alkane, this E is replaced by amide. Therefore, the name of this compound is alkane amide. Is that clear? Alkane, remove one H, put there CONH2, and the compound is called as alkane amide. So in the amide, the functional group is CONH2. It can be written like this or it can be written like this. And the Liptak name for this compound is amide. You answer the suffix for the amide is amide, CONH amide. Now the common name of the compound is alkane amide. Alkane amide, what is the pattern? Can you tell me? Alkane amide, RCONH2. RCONH2 is alkane amide. Example, CH3, CH2, 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 CONH2. Now this is the functional group, CONH2. The carbon having the functional group is called as number 1. This is number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So the compound is containing 5 carbon atoms including the CONH2. So totally you have to count number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And therefore the compound is containing 5 carbon. 5 carbon is pentane amide. Pentane amide. When you have the compound is pentane amide. So this can be written as CH3, CH2, 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 CONH2. Total how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So pentane amide. So that is how the compound is named as amide. Next compound, the compounds containing SO3H group. This is the functional group called as sulfonic acid. And in that system it is called as sulfonic acid. So the compounds which are known as containing sulfonic acids are called as sulfonic acids. And in that system there SO3H group, it is suffix given there as sulfonic acid. Okay, now the name, Liptak name of the compound containing SO3H. If it is the alkane, it is called as alkane amide. If it is arene, it is called as arene sulfonic acid. So alkane sulfonic acid or arene sulfonic acid. Alkane sulfonic acid means the compound containing straight chain, ANE, single bond. Arene, aromatic compounds. Aromatic compounds. So you are studying with the classification. Arene you are studying. So alkane sulfonic acid. Say for example here, this compound contains how many carbon atoms? Can you tell me? Look, this is 1, not this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why not this one? Because this carbon atom is containing the functional group. Therefore, this is carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexane, sulfuric acid. Hexane, sulfuric acid. Similarly, if it is aromatic compound, say here, this is compound obtained from what? Can you tell me? From benzene. CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, single bond CH, double bond CH, single. This you know, the hydrocarbon aromatic compound benzene. and from benzene you have replaced one hydrogen atom, put there SO3H group. So this H is replaced by sulfonic acid group. SO3H, CH, 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 CH. So one hydrogen atom is replaced by SO3H group. Therefore, this compound is named after benzene. This is benzene. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Is that clear? That is why I have named benzene sulfonic acid. The bond line structure, you are not writing the carbon hydrogen, you are simply writing with the bonds. CH, C, there is no H here. That H is replaced by SO3H. Therefore, there is no hydrogen here. CH, C, SO3H, CH, 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 CH. That is benzene sulfonic acid. That is how the compounds are named by impact system. Okay? Let us go for another type of compounds. Many times we come across the organic compounds which contain more than one functional group. More than one functional group. So how to name such compounds? See, if the compounds contain only one functional group, you can say it very easily. Say for example, if it is containing OH, you can call it OL, alkanol, butanol. Suppose the compound is containing two different functional groups, then how to name them? There is a systematic method of naming these compounds also. So when the compound is containing more than one functional group, you have to select a prior functional group or important functional group first. Follow? If there are more than one functional group, you have to select one functional group which is main or important or primer. Primo functional group it is called. Okay? So, first the main functional group is selected. How to select the main functional group? There is an order of selecting the functional group. Suppose the compounds contain more than one, then such compounds are named, selected like this. First, you have to select COOH group. COOH group. Then comes COOR, ester. Then comes COCl. Then comes CONH2. Then comes CN. Then CHO and CO and OH and H2. So these are the different functional groups. These functional groups, you have to select the functional group in this order. If the compound is containing COH group and OH group, you have to select COH group as a main. So order of selection of the functional group is in this way. First you have to select this one, second this one, third this one, fourth this one, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. If it contains more than one functional group, the selection should be done. Say for example, you have got a compound like this. This compound is containing two functional groups. Which will select first? See this order. COH. What is the suffix used for COH? Oic acid. And how about this functional group? This functional group, you have to name it as a prefix. So this is prefix. Suppose you have got this compound. Again, there are two functional groups. What are they? OH, C. Out of these two, which is the primer functional group? Look there, select. Then comes OH. So, this is the main functional group. This is called as a prefix. Therefore, these functional groups are given the prefix name also. What are the prefixes used for this? It is in this page like this. Look here. If the compound is containing OH, the suffix of this is OL. And the prefix used for this group is hydroxy. When hydroxy is used, when the compound is containing more than one functional group. If it is containing only one functional group, you call it as alkanol. Okay? Say for example, you have got this. You have this. Suppose it is not CH2. This is 1, 2, 3. Propanol only. This is propanol only. And if it has got this group, this is not propanol. This is ketone. 1, 2, 3. Propanol. This propanol is containing hydroxy group on the first carbon. Is that clear? Therefore, how to name this compound? This is not propanol. Confused, not confused. This is not propanol. Which is the main function group here? Main function group is CO. Compound containing 1, 2, 3. Propanol only. But this propanol is not a simple propanol. This is simple propanol. Now 1H is replaced by OH group. Therefore, this is called as, come on, tell me, what is the prefix used for this OL? Hydroxy. So, this is called as hydroxy propanol. Not a simple propanol. It is containing a hydroxy. So, hydroxy propanol. Where is the hydroxy group? Hydroxy from the first carbon. Therefore, it is 1 hydroxy propanol. Is that clear? So like that, the compounds are given the effect name. Compounds are given the effect name by using these prefixes. Okay? I will write here different compounds. Tell me what will be the name of this compound. The functional groups are selected in this particular order. Please remember here. In some books, SO3H is taken as a main function group. In some books, SO3H is taken as main function group. And this is second. This is the order of reference. Okay? So that is how the compounds are having a functional group. And you know what are the functional groups of this type. This is called as oleic acid. This is called as OA. It is called as oil chloride. This is called as amine, and amine. This is called as cyanide. This is called as aldehyde, ketone, oil, amine. Now these functional groups, if they are present along with one more functional group, then these functional groups are given as a prefixes. Look here. OH group, if it is present, it is known as hydroxy. CHO group, it is present, it is called as formyl or oxo. Many times it is also used as oxo, but better used is formyl, not oxo. So formyl, it is a suffix. I'm sorry, it is a prefix. CO, it is oxo, it is a prefix used. Nitrite, Cyno is the prefix. COH, carboxy. Weight acid is functional. This is carboxy, the prefix. COCl, or COX. Where X is about either F or Cl or Br or I. Now oil halide. And that is called as halocarbonyl. If the COX group is present, the prefix group for this is halocarbonyl. COOR, this is called as alkoxy-carbonyl. Alkoxy group is OR. Alkoxy-carbonyl is CO. So COOR is called as alkoxy-carbonyl. Look, CO. This is alkoxy and this is carbonyl. So COOR is called as alkoxy-carbonyl. NH2, the suffix goes to the functional group amine. And here it is called as amino. Amino. Amine, CONH2. And the prefix group of this is carbonyl. Carbonyl. Is it clear there? Carbonyl? I like to hear carbonyl. Carbonyl पे आप लोग को CONH2. And the SO3H group will represent, it is called as sulfur. Sulfur. Okay? So let us now try to write the name of the different compounds. Look. This has got two functional groups. One is COH, oic acid, and one is OH, all. So you cannot call it as all and oic acid. All oic acid to make one. You can get to oic acid. How many carbons are there? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You forget this. This is secondary function. This is the main function. This is the main function. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pentanoic acid. If this word is not there, pentanoic acid. Say if the compound is like this, you call it as pentanoic acid. Okay? Call it as pentanoic acid. Who is pentanoic acid? Not a simple pentanoic acid. It is containing hydroxyl OH. The suffix root for the OH is hydroxy. So this is called as hydroxy pentanoic. Where is the hydroxyl? From which component the hydroxyl is there? This is called 1, 2, 3. Very easy. So 3 hydroxy pentanoic. Why write 3 here? If you don't write 3, you will be confusing. Where is the OH group? Suppose you don't write, simply write there as a hydroxy pentanoic acid. Remember, this is one word. Don't write hydroxy gas, pentanoic gas, etc. If you write like this, pentanoic acid you will understand. Hydroxy, where is the hydroxy group? For that you have to number the carbon atom. From which end? From the functional group end. So this is 1, 2, 3. Therefore you have to name as 3, comma dash. Okay? So this compound is called as 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Right? Suppose you have got one more functional group, say now this is containing how many functional groups now? 1, 2, 3. How that? So in that case, what you have to do? First select the main functional group. What is the main functional group? Look here. This is the order you have to select. COOH. So COOH, if the group is there, oic acid. So the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pentanoic acid only. But it has got a hydroxy group and it has got a oxo group. CO group will be present. It is called as oxo. Where is oxo? It is on the board. No, it is on which carbon atom? Tell me. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. The oxo group is present on the 3rd carbon. Therefore, it is in this case, hydroxyl group is present on the 3rd carbon and CO group is present on the 4th carbon. So 4-oxo. This starts from oxo. This is hydroxy. This starts from H word. This starts from O. Alphabetic order. Chemistry A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. मतलब H1 था therefore you call it as 3-hydroxy 4-oxo pentanoic acid. Very simple. Very simple. Is that clear? 5-pentanoic acid. Why not say one? One is not a main group here. It is COH group which is main. Look there. COH group is main. Therefore, this is pentanoic acid. And it is containing oxo here. Okay? Okay? Suppose one more functional group is here. Say here CHO. CH double bond O. ನೋಡಿಗ ಎರಡು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಪ್ಪ 1 2 3 4 ಇಂಥವು ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೆಸರ ಮೊದಲು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮೇನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ COH group. So it is 1 2 3 4 5 pentanoic acid only, but not only pentanoic acid. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಒಂದು ಹೈಡ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿ ಐತಿ ಒಂದು ಕೀಟೋ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಐತಿ ಆಲ್ಡೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೇಳೋರು prefix group ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Prefix group for this is hydroxy. Prefix group for this is oxo. Prefix group for this is formyl. So this is formyl. Come on, name this component. You say pentanoic acid, correct? There are 3 prefixes. One is formyl starting from F, and the oxo starting from O, and the hydroxy starting from H. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ TH. ಆ ನಂತರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮೊದಲು ಬರೋದು F. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಲ್. ಆ ನಂತರ ಬರೋದು H. ಆ ನಂತರ ಬರೋದು O. ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಲ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಲ್ ಐತಿ 5 ಫಾರ್ಮಿಲ್. ಮುಂದೆ hydroxy ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. hydroxy 3 comma dash hydroxy ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ಹೊರಡಿದ್ದು ಮುಗ್ದೆ 3 hydroxy ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು 4-oxo 4-oxo ಮುಂದೆ ಎಸ್ಟೇಟರ್ ಯಾವುದು ಪೆಂಟನಾಯಿಕ್ Follow clearly. It is pentanoic acid. ಸಾದಾ pentanoic acid ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಭರಣ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ವ ಆಭರಣ. ಹೌದಾ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟೊಪ್ಪಿ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಬೇರೆ. ಇದು ಉಂಗುರ ಇದು ಚೇನ ಇದೇನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡಿ. ವಾಚ್ ಹೌದಾ? ವಾಚ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಉಂಗುರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಚೇನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಪೆನ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಪೆಂಟನೋಯಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? therefore it is pentanoic acid containing formula 5 carbon, containing hydroxide 3 carbon, containing oxide 4 carbon. Is that clear? Very simple, very very simple. Don't confuse. No confusion at all. Is that clear? Let us go for name some other term. So compounds containing more than one functional group, what you have to do? First select the main functional group in that order. Then if other functional groups are there, you have to name them using the prefixes. I will give you some example. Solve them. Give the name of the following compound. Say CH3, CH2, CO, COH. Name this compound. Similarly, name this compound also. Try to name these compounds which contain different functional groups. Let me see how many of you have followed it. We will see in the next class the correct answer.